stay tuned because we're going to talk about Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch, and I'm going to show you how I like to make it big and fluffy. Hi, I'm Rebecca at Wig Fun. Thanks for joining. I was working all day and I can't go all day without making a wig video. So this is Editor's Pick in Shaded Biscuit, everybody's favorite color. And it comes kind of smooth and sleek. Can you see that? Now, I'm going to show you the other side. And this is the elite version, which means it has the fancy cap, the great lace, all that. But guess what? I don't like it sleek and sophisticated. I like it wild. So the first thing I like to do, I forgot to wear a wig grip today. I like to shake it upside down. And this, oh, do you want to see? The cap is really nice. See that lace? Velvet ear tabs. I always say, I want to see what the wig looks like first, then I'll worry about the inside. Here's what I do like about Raquel Welch is that it fits so well. I just have the tabs pretty much like they came. So I'm starting to like this already. Now I did trim a little bit right here, and that's because I didn't want a long smooth side swoop. I wanted it to be kind of kicky. See, I think that is so cute. And then I just get my fingers in here, and now this is my bio hair, which I'm letting a little bit of it stick out because it's almost the same color. See, to me it just looks so much better. I'm going to show you the back. See, it looks messy, it looks wild, right? It looks fun. You know what I do with every wig? I like to kind of take it all over to one side and see what that looks like. So that might give me a little poof. Oh yeah, isn't that cute? See, ladies, just go ahead and make every wig yours. Now this is one of the ones I know it's always going to look good. I know it's going to fit good. I know it's going to go with pretty much anything I wear. So you just can't stop messing with it, right? So anyway, can I get it any bigger? I love it. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. I don't have every wig, but I hope to move in that direction. If you like this kind of wig action, subscribe, and I'll be back real soon with another demonstration of how you can have really big hair.